Here's how these sticky ear cleaners work. They come on like a little tray like this, and you just pull them off and you get this. This is what they look like. That's your piece that goes in your ear instead of a cotton swab. And I'll just show you it going into my ear right here. It is definitely a different feeling. Like regular cotton swabs will really slide into your ear a bit easier. It feels a little bit like more uncomfortable going into your ear, but you know, definitely works. I keep my ears pretty clean, so we're not really gonna see much going on here. I just Q-tipped them this morning. Going in the other ear here. I would definitely recommend, you know, taking it a bit slower. I think we got a little bit on that one. Got my hair caught in it as well. But yeah, I got a little bit of wax on the end of that one. I don't know if you'll see it on the camera, but definitely can work, and definitely worth a shot if you're looking for, you know, a little different way of getting the earwax out of your ears.